The link plate attaches to the saw's base and the upper blade guard. It is responsible for lifting the lower guard as the saw blade is lowered into a cut. The link plate can be bent, which will cause the guard to bind. Replacing the link plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mitre Saw.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the saw blade. I'll loosen the bolt that secures the guard. Now I can pull the guard back, exposing the blade bolt. I'll put the wrench on the blade bolt and press the saw's lockout lever to lock the blade in place. Then I can remove the blade bolt. I'll remove the flange and the blade. Now remove the bolt that secures the lower part of the link. Now remove the screw that secures the upper portion of the link. There's an access hole in the side of the upper guard. I'll put my wrench through that access hole and remove the screw. And with the screws removed, I can remove the link. Now I can install the new guard link. First, I'll make the connection to the base of the saw. I'll align the link with the base, pull the guard up, and slide the link up into the upper housing. There's a spacer that goes into the link, and then I secure it with the screw and washer. Now I need to secure the upper portion of the link. I'll place the second spacer onto the screw. Now put this assembly inside the upper guard through the slot in the link. Once the screw is aligned with the housing, I insert the wrench through the hole in the housing and tighten the screw. Now I can reinstall the blade. And I'll resecure the guard. And that's how easy it is to replace the link plate on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.